Hi, we're Dave and Esther Bedney. We live and work in Honduras with Latin American Mission.
We're so grateful for your support, and we just want to share a little bit about some of the ministries that we're involved in here. Thank you again, and may God bless you.
Adios.
Bienvenidos a la comunidad educativa evangélica.
Bienvenidos. Welcome to our school.
Oh, you bring hope to the hopeless and light to those in the darkness and death to life. Now I'm alive. Oh, you give peace to the restless and joy to homes that are broken. I see you now. In you I'm found. And you open the door for me. And you lay down your life to set me free. All that I am will serve you, Lord. Oh, you fill those who are empty and rescue those in the valley. And through it all, you calm my soul. Oh, now you find me in my weakness and heal the wounds of my heartache. I worship you in spirit and truth. And you open the door for me. And you lay down your life to set me free. All that I am will serve you, Lord. You, Lord. And you open my eyes to see all the wonder and all of Christ in me. Jesus, you're everything I need. Dame tus ojos, quiero ver. Dame tus palabras, quiero hablar. Dame tu parecer. Dame tus pies, yo quiero ir. Dame tus deseos para sentir. Dame tu parecer. Dame lo que necesito para ser como tú. Dame tu voz, dame tu aliento. Toma mi tiempo, es para ti. Dame el camino que debo seguir. Dame tus sueños, tus anhelos, tus pensamientos, tu sentir. Dame tu vida para vivir. Déjame ver lo que tú ves. Dame de tu gracia, tu poder. Dame tu corazón, Señor. Déjame ver en tu interior para ser cambiado. corazón. Dame lo que...
Gracias. 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 Gracias.